Get ready to meet the 2025 Toyota Prius PHEV, a hybrid that's not only eco-friendly but also packed with style, power, and the latest tech. Toyota has taken the Prius to a new level since its redesign in 2023, where it transformed the Prius Prime into a sleek, modern hybrid powerhouse. Now known as the Prius plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, or Prius PHEV, the 2025 model keeps the upgrades rolling, delivering impressive performance and efficiency. Let's dive into what's under the hood. The Prius PHEV combines a 2.0-liter gasoline engine with two electric motors, producing a solid 220 horsepower. Not only does this enhance fuel economy, but it also makes the car surprisingly quick. In hybrid mode, the Prius PHEV accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.7 seconds, and while it's a bit slower in electric mode, taking around 11.2 seconds, the car's smooth, dynamic drive is still impressive. Currently, it's available in front-wheel drive, but there are rumors that an all-wheel drive option might be on the way. In terms of pricing, the Prius PHEV offers options for various budgets, starting at around $35,000 for the SE and going up to $41,000 for the fully loaded XSE Premium. There's plenty of value to be found across all trims. The XSE model brings perks like keyless entry, heated front seats, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and a power rear hatch. Across all models, Toyota includes an 8-inch touchscreen, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, and blind spot monitoring as standard, solid tech features that add to the car's appeal. But what truly sets the 2025 Prius PHEV apart? It's Toyota's focus on sustainability and tech. The XSE Premium trim even has solar panels on the roof. These panels can charge the battery while parked, power the air conditioning, and even support other accessories when driving, an eco-friendly innovation that underscores Toyota's dedication to hybrid technology. Since its 2023 redesign, the Prius PHEV has been bold in both style and function. Gone are the days of plain hybrids. This model brings a sleek, athletic look that's hard to ignore, with sharp lines and a confident stance. And while it's eye-catching on the outside, it's the performance, efficiency, and tech on the inside that make the 2025 Prius PHEV a true game-changer. The 2025 Toyota Prius PHEV isn't just another hybrid, it's a powerful, stylish, and tech-savvy vehicle that's setting new standards in the world of eco-friendly cars. Whether you're looking for a fuel-efficient daily driver or a cutting-edge hybrid, the Prius PHEV has something unique to offer.